Hey guys, I want to show you a shoulder kind of setup I found. This is a really old Sony VCT type shoulder plate that was used for their professional camcorders. Now there's a company that makes an aftermarket one, and it's slightly different, so you're able to kind of mod it a little bit. So obviously I'm not using a VCT mount, I'm just using a standard QR plate here on like a Manfrotto, and then I have the camera mounted directly onto the shoulder rig here. As you can see, I can go from the tripod directly to a shoulder, and let me show you how that works. So let me unlock it from the tripod here. Now you'll notice on the plate here there's a release switch. Now you don't want your camera to unhook from this while it's on the tripod, but what you do is you release this and it comes out and it becomes kind of a chest mount. Now this is adjustable, swings all the way out, and then there's a lock up here. There's also a pad here, and this is also adjustable, but I'll show you how I use it. On the back here there's also a little pad that goes behind your shoulder. Now there's a switch on the other side here, and this telescopes out, so it's adjustable. I keep it short, but it goes right up here, and I have a shoulder mount, basically shoulder rig. Now what you'll notice is there's a front bracket that comes with this. It's optional, and this is for a VCT mount, but I've taken off the VCT adapter and I just bolted on some RE rosette handles here. So I can go from shoulder, which worked pretty well, and then when I need to go back to a tripod, just come back. So it's kind of a shoulder rig that disappeared. Not a lot of people have seen it or used it because it was designed for Sony Pro cameras, but you can adapt it for a DSLR mirrorless or camera like the C200 here. So if you guys want more information about this shoulder pad here, I'm going to have a link below the video and also on the blog, cheesycam.com.